Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I was just coming through to give you the update on the Buzzy Grow Kits that we did back on February 6th. Today, my son, he just yells as soon as he knows I'm on this phone. Okay, on February 6th, we planted the seeds, and today is February 21st. So, I'm just going to show you the update and show you how they're looking. And the sunflowers and the basil did really good. They actually, within a week, had started germinating. The tomato and the strawberry, of course, gives you a little bit of hard time. But the weather here in Oklahoma got so cold. It was below freezing here. So them sitting in my windowsill, they were just cold. But I'm still going to let them germinate because and see what happens. But just stay tuned, keep watching, and here is the clip of the seedlings in your update. Okay, y'all, so here's the clip. We are 2 weeks in. I just wanted to show you guys where we're at on the Buzzy seedlings from the little grow kits. So the seeds have fallen off these seedlings, and it looks like they're not holding up. They're drying out really bad. Well, not drying out, but they're crisping up because the soil is moist. I took the plastic bag off to try to save them. Here we have the tomatoes. They have yet to sprout. We have maybe one sprout. We have lots of basil that's doing good. And it also says to remove the like paper towel thing that held the seeds. But once you try to start removing that, it kind of tears the seedlings out of the soil. So I kind of been just leaving it. It should disintegrate eventually or over time. So maybe we'll see how it works if I just leave it there. Of course, the strawberries haven't done anything, but strawberries are hard to germinate, and in Oklahoma, we had got a bunch of snow, like 12 inches of snow, and it's been cold in this window. It's barely had any sun. Look at my pansies, if you can see them that were there. Looks terrible. But yeah, here's the clip. So all I'm going to do is just keep these plastic bags over all of these other ones and try to get the tomatoes to germinate. In these strawberries, I'm probably going to move them under grow lights, and I'll keep you guys updated. As far as sunflowers go, we'll keep working with them, see what happens, and of course, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so that's the clip. I'll come back with another update for you guys and let you know what else happened. So they'll keep watching for the next update. We'll do part 3. Hopefully I can save the sunflowers. Poor sunflowers. But that typically happens to me. I can get sunflowers to germinate. Once they start getting bigger and leggy, they tend to just like start burning off like that. And I don't know what the issue is, but if you do, drop a comment below and let me know what I can do different to save that from happening from time to time. If you guys have tried the Buzzy's grow kits, tell me how it's going for you. Drop a comment below. Like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. But that's all I have for you guys. Just a quick little update. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Spring is almost here, and I'm so ready because after this snow that we had, it was like a week of snow, guys. Like, dude, it snowed, waited a couple days, then snowed a whole bunch. But I loved it. It was so pretty, but it was hard on everything. Like, everything in the greenhouse is done. It's terrible, but yeah. Stay tuned for part 3. This is part 2. Thanks for watching. Like I asked, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm outro.